How to fix Safari? This connection is not private error on an iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open settings on your device first. Scroll down and tap on the Safari option there in settings. Scroll down again and you will see an option for clear history and website data. Tap on that and here change your clear time frame to all history from last hour and now tap on clear no history. Go back to settings now and tap on general and then tap on VPN and device management and make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In general again, tap on date and time and set it to set automatically. Your Safari might also show this error if you type an incorrect URL, so make sure you are typing the correct URL. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.